That's the worst horrible sound. Wait here. I'm going to look at this sound. I want to do that sound. It's coming from the top. Ready. Now all the people is in their houses having the dinner. This is welfare. And for going filming the living building 28, we had to call the house to open us to film the lift. Oh well, here we come on the back. So it's just a time. It's just a spell away, and it's so well. Oh God. This is people so stupid. He's now going to see his houses to get the no, or else. Hey. Why is this garage open? And what is this there?
No, vienen todos. Bueno, todo.
Dad.
Ella y mi hermano.
Oh God. I don't have any ideas of it, but the door is open. Well, I don't have any fucking ideas. And I need freaking ideas because fucking this curse worked.
Viene el coche por aquí, por ahí. Venga, vamos.
Oh God.
Pasa bocho rojo. O va de esta cosa. Vamos por ahí. Vamos por ahí. Así vamos verde y luego pues se creen que era un inglés.
So here and now I have a fan sound. Okay, well. Wants to watch my YouTube videos for it. He always liked my YouTube videos. He likes always my videos. That's right. And what's this? Oh, this is the show as well. No, this era pass. Because hey, you stop right there.
Ay, perdón. ¿Vas a entrar?
Yes. Thank goodness. Here comes the lift now. I don't know if this still goes down to the stairs to basement. Or this one.
¿Qué hace, no? Sí, pero iba a dar una vez que pasa ahí, después que abre no sabe nada. Creo que llega sola, ahora se cerrará. Galing.